muusika puudutab su hinge. Sa vajad seda. Kui on muusika, mis on sinu sees, aga ei ole pilli, mis võiks selle välja tuua, võib selle pilli ju ise meisterdada. Nii avaneb loovus, mis toob maailma midagi uut.
Yes, these are drums. These are now plastic skin, but for experiment, plastic. But this is prototype and experiment. Now it still work, but this is drum side. You can play like this. And one touch, and it goes. You know, this is a new instrument, and sometimes hard to get used to new sounds and little psychedelic sounds. But we will learn to play and to listen also. And before making instruments, I have a passion about the instrument. I didn't have an intention making instruments, but I made lots of research about the world instruments, ethnic or all around the world instruments. And I saw that thousands of instruments we have in the world. I also think that doesn't be finished, and it's finished. Instruments are like this in the world, acoustically. And this gave me courage, and I start to make it for searching new possibilities. Because this is related to my behavior, because I like discovery and with music and relationship with music. Every time to get new sounds, finding and searching the new sounds. And before making instruments, already like that. What is new? What can be new for say with music and sounds? And after that, making composition and making music process. What we have, we know already. I mean, piano, guitar, or sitar on Eastern or Western instrument, we know. My aim is to say different. What is different? Yeah, making instruments like already making compositions. It's similar to making composition. But yes, I have my own melody. And I try to start handmade instruments with myself, with new design. Western is more technological and standard something, and there is finish. They finish. But when I look the Eastern side, they still primitive and they still really aesthetic. Their shape or easy. Music can touch your soul. Relationship with soul, this is therapeutic. We need this, and music can do this.